Hey guys, what's up? Mr. Miller here. It is March 5th, Monday, 2:57. And before I leave, I thought I would do a quick MathXL tutorial so this way you're not getting frustrated as to, okay, how do you actually enter answers in on MathXL for this logarithm stuff? So let's take a look at our first problem here. We have 64 equals 4 to the third. So what we want to do is write this as a logarithm. Log base b, what's my base? My base is 4. So I'm going to type in log. To do the base, we can't just type in a 4 because what you're saying here is take the log of 4, and that's not what we're intending to say. We want to say log base 4. So to do the base, we're going to hit this little subscript button, and we're going to type in 4. I'm going to push out from the 4, and now I'm going to type in what am I taking the log of? I would be taking the log of 64, and when we do that, that should give us the exponent, which is 3. Now, this is a trial run. I haven't actually practiced this on MathXL, so let's see if it likes the way I entered it. Okay, well done. Yay me! All right, let's do one going the other way where they give you the logarithm, and you have to type in the exponential. All right, what's my base? Log base b. My base is 2, this little 2. What's my exponent? My exponent is going to be on the other side of the equal sign. So I swoop over, I see it's a 1, and to type in an exponent, I hit this, whoops, I hit this superscript key, type in the exponent, and they already did the other side of the equal sign for us, equals 2. Let's check. All right, good deal. It likes it. I'm on a roll here. All right, so let's have a go with evaluating logarithms. So this one, what's it saying? What do I raise my base to? My base is 2. What should the exponent be on this 2 to give me 4? If you said 2, good job, that's correct. Log base 2 of 4 is going to equal 2. All right, now I want to take this opportunity to swing back and let's talk about how do we deal with these negatives. You would deal with these negatives, these negative exponents, the same way you would if it were a positive number. So let's work this one out together. What's my base? My base is 5, so log base 5. To do the base, I have to hit the subscript button, this one right here where the cursor is, okay, of 5. What am I taking the logarithm of? I'm taking the logarithm of 1 over 25. That's a fraction, so I'm going to have to enter the fraction using this button to get the upstairs and the downstairs, 1 over 25. And what does that equal? This side will be my exponent, negative 2. All right, and let's do the number 4. Write in exponential form. All right, let's do it. What's my base? Okay, my base is 7, right? Log base b, b is 7. All right, that's looking good. I'm raising it to what power? To the negative 3rd power. This side would be my exponent. Do you see what I did there, by the way? After I enter the exponent, I hit the right key, the right arrow key, equals 1 over 343. 1 over 343. All right, there you have it. If you have any questions about how to enter this stuff in while you're working on it tonight, please send me an email. I'll try to keep my eyes peeled on email for the rest of the day in case you have questions. I will see you guys tomorrow. Get ready to work in your assigned groups and get ready to practice this logarithm and exponential stuff a bit more. Keep up the good work, guys. I'm really impressed with you. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.